Hi, I'm Marc Cook for Twisted Throttle. If you've ever heard the screech of tires behind you as a distracted motorist discovers, almost too late, that you've stopped in front of him, then you know the value of conspicuity. Being seen on the road is a key element of two-wheel survival. Now this product will help. It's the DENALI B6 Taillight. Now DENALI introduced this light late last year, but after extensive road testing of prototypes, we weren't totally happy. The result of a substantial redesign is a light that is twice as bright as before and capable of running as both a brake light and a running light. The durable surface mount LEDs are 1 watt each at high intensity and provide a tremendous amount of light, far more than a stock brake light. And it's definitely enough to get the attention of distracted drivers and decrease your chances of getting rear-ended in traffic. Mounting the B6 is simple. Those 6 LEDs are fitted to a substantial aluminum base designed to fit a wide range of license plate types thanks to the slotted mounting holes. The B6 can be mounted above or below the license plate, whichever works best on your motorcycle. And it's totally waterproof, so no worries about spray from the rear tire. For motorcycles that can't use the DENALI CANsmart accessory controller, the B6 operates at 2 intensity levels. Full intensity when the brake light is on and half intensity as just a running light. It's up to you how to wire the B6 onto your bike. You can choose to run either level independently. You don't have to use both circuits. The installation is a simple matter of connecting the black wire to ground, the red wire goes to the taillight circuit, and the orange wire goes to the brake light. Now, if your motorcycle has a DENALI CANsmart, you have additional options. The CANsmart reads your bike's CAN bus system, and on many BMW models allows for a modulated brake light for even more conspicuity. The B6 is a plug-and-play installation for all new CANsmart devices, but can be easily wired to existing CANsmart installations already out in the field. And that's the story. Visit TwistedThrottle.com for more information on the DENALI B6 Taillight and the rest of the DENALI 2.0 lineup of lights. And don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel while you're here. Thanks for watching.